making a time-honored classic Italian dish on Kitchen Guy today. It's shrimp Fra Diavolo, and it's guaranteed to add some zip to your pasta. So first I've heated a large sauté pan with some olive oil, and now I'll add peeled and deveined shrimp and cook them, turning just once until they're opaque pink, and then I'll set them on a plate and just set them aside. Now in the same pan I will add some shallots, garlic, and oregano, along with some halved cherry tomatoes, some crushed Italian tomatoes, and 1 2/3 cups of white wine. I'll cook it until the sauce thickens and the tomatoes have softened. Now, I cook my pasta in a pot of boiling salted water, and now into the sauce I'll add some chopped parsley, some red pepper flakes, and I reserved a 1/4 cup of the pasta water, which I'll also add, and then the pasta and the shrimp, and I'll toss well to combine. I divided the pasta, the shrimp, and the sauce among some warm plates, and I garnished with some Italian parsley. And because it's spicy, you want a nice wine that'll stand up to the spice, so a nice Barolo or Italian Chianti Reserva would be just great. And you know what else would be great? Write to me for the recipe, or log on to the website at the address shown on your screen. I'm Chef Jim. Grazie mille for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. And I'll see you next time.